everyone. Today we will be going to Knott's Berry Farm. Busy to get into Knott's Berry today. It's a Saturday. There's a lot of school groups and it's just busy to get in. They open at 8 today. We got here at about 10. Didn't think it'd be that crowded. It's still at 10, but it's really busy. It's taking quite a long time to get in. It feels busier than waiting to get into Disney yesterday.
So I'm definitely very excited to be here at Knott's Berry Farm. This is my first time actually coming into the park. When I came to Southern California as a kid with my parents, we often saw their kind of like outside area. I'd been by the entrance before. They have something similar to like downtown Disney over at Disneyland, where you can pay to park on the outside of Knott's Berry Farm, and you can see some of the shops and also try some of the food. Like Knott's Berry Farm is famous for boysenberry jam as well as their fried chicken, so you're able to do that, but you're not able to go into the theme park unless you pay park admission, of course. So this is my first time actually coming to Knott's Berry Farm. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's definitely very cute. Definitely a much different, very different vibe than going to Universal Studios or a Disney park. As Knott's Berry Farm is definitely a much older park than those parks. I don't know if you guys know, but Knott's Berry Farm actually opened in 1920. So it's even older than Disneyland. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, because Disneyland opened in 1955. So Knott's Berry Farm was open a whole another like 35 years before Disneyland. Yeah, and Knott's Berry Farm also has Knott's Scary Farm, which is why we're seeing all these amazing Halloween decorations around. It is beginning October, so right in the middle of spooky season.
Right now we're in line for the Calico Mine Train ride at Knott's Berry Farm. It's a pretty hot day here. Even in October, it's quite hot in Anaheim. Yeah, Knott's Berry Farm is at Buena Park, about 10 minutes from Anaheim, but still in Orange County. Yeah, the line is pretty long. Busy day at Knott's Berry. We are finally next for the Calico Mine Train. We were a bit unlucky. There was only one train running that we got in line about an hour ago. Now they finally have two of them, so mine finally moved a bit faster. So yes, finally almost boarding. Alright, we're finally on the ride now. Since this is our first time at Knott's Berry Farm, yeah, let's see what kind of ride this will be. Supposedly it's a family ride, so it shouldn't be too scary.
And let's dig up some rock candy, celebration, and more.
gonna be getting on the railroad next. Yeah, the Calico Mountain Mine Train ride was really cute. It was a really nice ride. Don't think it's worth an hour wait, but maybe half an hour wait. Yeah, I really like that ride. There was actually no wait at all. We got right on the train, so it's great. Yeah, wonder where this train will take us.
Another cool, pretty fun fact of Knott's Berry Farm is Knott's Scary Farm was actually one of the first Halloween horror kind of events that theme parks hosted. Knott's Scary Farm actually began in 1973, so it's one of the oldest Halloween scare events in America. So it's actually even older than Halloween Horror Nights. Halloween Horror Nights only started in 1997. So if you guys are a fan of Halloween Horror Nights or Busch Gardens Hall Scream, you definitely should check out Knott's Scary Farm. Supposedly Knott's Scary Farm is one of the scariest Halloween theme park events.
Over here we can see one of the scare zones. We passed Forsaken Lake. So yeah, at night during Knott's Scary Farm, this would be one of the areas you would be prepared to be scared.
So just got off the train. Yeah, the train was really cute. Definitely good for kids, good for family, good for all ages. Yeah, so I'm not really a fan of roller coasters. So Knott's Berry Farm is owned by Cedar Fair, and it's definitely a lot like Six Flags or Great America. It's mostly a lot of roller coasters. But yeah, there are still some like family-friendly kids rides here, like the Calico Mountain that we rode earlier, as well as the railroad and some other little things here. So I definitely do, and I definitely have been enjoying Knott's Berry Farm so far, and I definitely do recommend it if you guys have never been. Like, you should definitely come here at least once.
Yeah, then you take a picture. You got it, dude.
Alright, we are waiting in line for our next ride now, Knott's Berry Tales. So Knott's Berry Tales is pretty much like Toy Story Mania over at California Adventure and Hollywood Studios. You get in a ride vehicle, you get 3D glasses, and a cannon to shoot. But instead of a cannon, this one that shoots paint, this cannon actually shoots boysenberry pies and boysenberry jam. So it's definitely very cute. Very excited to see this ride.
Let's get my family ready for the fair.
Alright, we are sitting here stuck in the ride for a little bit, but yeah, I definitely enjoyed this ride. We waited about 45 minutes, so it wasn't too bad. I definitely recommend doing this one. It is a family-friendly ride, so kids of all ages can get on this one.
Thanks to you, today has been grand. Do come back real soon.
So for lunch, we are trying some food from Boardwalk Barbecue. So there's definitely quite a few items here on the menu, so they seem to have a good variety of things here. Not too overpriced, like normal price for barbecue, about $17, $18. Barbecue is just always pretty expensive. Yeah, so here's kind of like a cafeteria style. It seems when you get to the front, you tell them what you want, they'll put it on a plate, and then you go over to the cash register to pay. Definitely pretty busy in here. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to get our food.
Okay, so I got pulled pork with some potato wedges and cornbread. Yeah, it cost me $18.50, almost $19, but it is a lot of food. I don't think I could even eat half this pile of pork they gave me. Yeah, and they put a lot of barbecue sauce on it, which is great because I love barbecue sauce. So let's dig in. Yeah, we couldn't go to Knott's Berry Farm without getting something with boysenberry. So we got a slice of boysenberry pie. Yes, boysenberry has a very unique taste to it.
After that good barbecue lunch, we are walking around the rest of Knott's Berry Farm. My goal for today is to see all the areas of Knott's Berry Farm. I've definitely enjoyed everything I've seen so far. Knott's Berry Farm is definitely a really fun theme park to go. Best of all, it is definitely much cheaper than Disney. Daily admission for Knott's Berry Farm actually varies in price depending on when you want to go. For example, if you want to go on a Thursday or a Friday, which is a bit more expensive, it'll cost $75 plus some taxes and fees. But if you want to go on the weekend, on Saturday or Sunday, it costs $79, and then the taxes and fees as well. But if you go like on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, that's the cheapest price. It is only $69, definitely a lot cheaper than the other days of the week for sure. Yeah, Monday is actually the same price as Thursday and Friday, which is $75. Yeah, after all those taxes and fees, it adds up pretty quick. It's about $100 daily admission tickets in October. But definitely nothing compared to paying at Disney, which costs like at Disneyland at least $120 to $160, sometimes almost $200, depending on what day of the year and whether it is peak season or not. And it definitely costs much more than $100 at Walt Disney World as well. Right now we are watching one of the Halloween shows featuring the Peanuts characters, Charlie Brown and Snoopy. Oh, the show is so cute. Yeah, it's about Charlie Brown and the Great Pumpkin. Yes, so after this we are getting ready to leave. Got like maybe half an hour before the park closes. So thank you everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and see you guys next week. Bye!